Imagine a world where cleaning is no longer a chore, but a quick, easy, and even enjoyable experience. A world where a single device can transform the way you keep your home clean, giving you more time to relax and enjoy your space without stress. That's exactly what the BISSELL PowerFresh Slim Steam promises, a revolutionary steam cleaner that simplifies cleaning your home. The BISSELL PowerFresh Slim Steam isn't just a device, it's a revolution in your cleaning routine. This 3-in-1 steam cleaner offers you unmatched flexibility with its 3 main functions. A steam mop for your floors, a portable unit for the most targeted tasks, and an extension to reach those hard-to-reach spots. Imagine cleaning every corner of your home with just one device without having to switch tools or struggle with tangled cords. If you're interested, feel free to click the link in the description right now. To learn more about these unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours at the best price right now. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to discover the best products we specially select for you every day. This BISSELL device is perfect for those looking for an effective and versatile cleaning solution for all types of surfaces. Tough on dirt at home, as well as for those who appreciate a lightweight and easy-to-maneuver device for deep cleaning effortlessly. Perfect for busy families or anyone wanting to keep their home spotless with minimal time and effort. From the very first use, the BISSELL PowerFresh Slim Steam proves to be a valuable ally. Ready to use in just 30 seconds, it allows you to spend less time preparing and more time cleaning effectively. Whether it's floors like varnished wood, ceramic, linoleum, granite, or marble, it leaves them spotless, effortlessly. With its adjustable steam trigger, you can precisely control the amount of steam released, ensuring a perfect clean without risking damage to your surfaces. But that's not all. The BISSELL also excels at cleaning above floor spaces. With its portable detachable steam cleaner, it becomes your best ally for tackling tasks in the kitchen, bathroom sinks, countertops, and much more. Imagine getting rid of grease and residue in your kitchen without having to scrub for hours. The ease with which this device allows you to clean turns a tiring task into a true pleasure of satisfaction. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of extremely satisfied customer reviews. In addition to its versatility and power, the design of the BISSELL is made for optimal maneuverability and storage. Its swivel head allows you to reach tight spaces under furniture and around obstacles with surprising ease. After cleaning, it only takes a moment to put it away thanks to its handy wall mount, freeing up floor space in your home. Don't underestimate the power of the included accessories. Each tool has been designed to maximize cleaning efficiency on different surfaces, allowing you to clean tiles, windows, and even appliances like microwaves and ovens without leaving any streaks or residues. Easily transport these tools with the built-in toolkit, always within reach while you clean. So, don't miss the chance to click on the link in the description to order it now at the best price and truly revolutionize your daily life. Now, I suggest we recap its advantages as well as a few disadvantages. Advantage number 1, 3-in-1 versatility. Combination of a steam mop, a portable cleaner, and an extension for versatile use throughout the house. Advantage number 2, ready quickly. Heats up in just 30 seconds, allowing for quick cleaning without a long wait. Advantage number 3, ease of use. Lightweight and maneuverable, with a swivel head to easily reach under furniture and around obstacles. Advantage number 4, adjustable steam trigger. Allows for precise steam control, suitable for different types of floors and cleaning needs. Advantage number 5, practical accessory. Comes with a set of tools for various cleaning tasks, enhancing efficiency on specific surfaces. Advantage number 6, simplified storage, wall mount included for easy storage and space saving. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, limited to hard floors. Although effective on hard floors, it is not designed to be used on carpets or rugs. In conclusion, if you're looking for an all-in-one solution to make your home sparkling clean without tiring yourself out, the BISSELL PowerFresh Slim Steam is made for you. Don't miss this opportunity to transform the way you clean. Click on the link in the description to order yours at the best price, learn more, and check out the hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers. Your home deserves the best. And with BISSELL PowerFresh, the best is just a click away. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to discover the best products we specially select for you every day. With that, I sincerely thank you for your attention and hope to see you very soon.